There's a lot of jobs that I would not be able to do simply because I don't have a storefront. All we do is the install. So working with Atlantic Tile, it gives me the opportunity to work on jobs like this without being tied down in sales and that kind of thing. All I do is show up and we do the job. My name is Robert Hendry. I am the owner of Excellence by Design, and we are based here in Brevard County. Atlantic Tile has a very good selection of tile and marble. So people call them for the finest in that marble and tile, and they want us to install it because we do such a good quality job. So that's how it works with us. The warehouse is really big. I call Anthony a couple of days ahead of time and say, hey, I need a pallet of this, I need a pallet of that. He always has it's ready. You know, it's ready for me to pick up and go. And it's real nice to have that. Being able to show your customer everything that they need in one store really helps. They don't have to go drive around to 5 different places to find something. They go to one place, they find what they like, and then, you know, the installation's the next step of that. The reason it's important is to have that many options. Is some people have so many different ideas about what they want for their house, and so you have to be able to supply that. Like this house right here, I think has probably 6 or 7 different kind of tiles just on the floor, and then you get into the wall tile. You know, the panels, all this kind of stuff. And if you only have one or two brands, you're not going to appeal to that customer. If I was a tile installer looking to get into the business and expand my business, I would definitely stop by, talk with Anthony. He has a lot of contacts, not just in the installation side, but the tile side. And you could really help yourself out, get noticed, get known. And if you don't have a huge budget, you can still find something that's affordable there. If you are a contractor and you're looking to build a nice size house kind of like this one, I would say go there as well, because you have the low end and you have the high end. I think he's got everything covered.